Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. We're going to start by making all of these nails nude. And I want to say I don't know what happened. As you can see, the video looks okay right now. It's fine. It's fine right now. It's fine. It's fine. The set I'm doing, I'm in love with. So once it gets fuzzy, I'm so disappointed that that happened. Like right here. Here we go. Boom. Now we're into fuzzy video. It's the same video. I didn't stop it or start it or anything. But something happened and it got fuzzy. And so this part where I'm making the flower and some other stuff got really fuzzy. And if you make videos, you understand how frustrating it is. I love this set so much. I want to give a shout out though. I'm going to put it up on the screen. It's either Chelly's or Shelly's nails. It's spelled CH, so I've not heard her say her name. I'm not sure how she pronounces it. I would say Chelly, right? But I don't know. But this is inspired. She inspired this. My set is extremely similar to hers. My colors are a little different, and I did a couple of tiny things that were, you know, a little different. I did my own thing a tiny bit, but mostly I just said, that's pretty. I want to make that. And I did it. So I love this set. And that's why, even though I realized some of the footage was fuzzy, I didn't have time to reshoot it before today's video. And I decided you would forgive me. So thank you for that. There we go. I decided you'd forgive me. It's only this middle bit that's fuzzy though. So really, I'm thinking of this. Let's move on from that. Let's just go away from that. I'm thinking of this as a Mother's Day set. It's very girly and super feminine and very, we're going to a garden party, right? Kind of thing. I've got another set that has that feeling, but in a more romantic way. Coming up for Saturday. So if you've not subscribed, click it. Click it. Okay? I don't want to hear any of your nonsense. I don't want to hear you say, oh, but I don't subscribe. No, click the damn button. You know you want to. Okay. Anyways, Mother's Day's coming. If you're a mom or you have a mom, I hope you're doing something awesome. We're going on to stripes now. The other side of this is stripes. I feel like maybe this set also has kind of a Votino vibe. We all know I'm obsessed with that man. I say man, but he's very feminine, so I don't know what his gender identity is. Okay, here we are, back to not so fuzzy video. That's all of the nails done. As you can see, I did not want to put a ton more fuzzy video out. Because here we are back to a little bit of fuzz, but see, there it goes. It's fine again. I don't know what to do, guys. I have two phones with somewhat decent cameras, but both of them are sucking right now. And I need to figure something out so that my channel can continue. Can you see there's a dog hair right there? I'll put a little arrow for you. Jake is always in my videos. Now, this is one of the ones that just has the stripes. And this is where also I did a little different. She has 4 stripes on a lot of her nails. I only did 3. She added a white stripe. I did not. Her lines are a little different than mine on the striped nails. I just went with whatever flavor I was feeling at the moment, and I'm happy with it. I know my voiceover on this one was a little, you know, whatever. But I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like this set. Would you wear this set? Would you say hell yeah to this set? Or would you say, oh, hell no to this set? Let me know below. If you've watched all the way to the end, give me a smiley face in the comments, whatever one you like. We're going to see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.